Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel, and I hope everyone is doing wonderfully well. So in today's video I'll be doing a simple recipe on how to make a pancake. I hope after watching this video you are going to love making yourself. So let's get right into the ingredients. So we have all-purpose flour, we have in our chocolate powder, and the chocolate powder is optional, so you can omit it and use the other ingredients as well. So we have in our butter, that is a teaspoon of butter. We have our nutmeg, a teaspoon. We have a pinch of salt. We have sugar and a milk, that is 160 grams. So you add everything to the blender: the egg, margarine, nutmeg, sugar, milk, leaving the chocolate powder behind because that's going to serve a different purpose in this pancake. So add in everything and blend for it to become smooth. So I also added in some vanilla extracts. It's optional, you can choose not to do it. So I added 1 teaspoon of vanilla extracts and blended everything again. So in a bowl, pour some of the pancake mixture into the chocolate powder and mix it well to become smooth. You can see it's watery. This is how I want it. I don't want it to become so thick. I want it like the way you're saying right now. So mix everything, and as I said in the beginning of this video, this is optional, but when you do or mix a pancake with chocolate powder like what I'm doing, you're going to love it. So in a hot pan, pour in a little bit of oil and add some of your pancake mix. Wait for 30 seconds and flip it over. And please make sure your fire is not too high, because when it's high, you're going to burn your pancake, and we don't want that. You can see our pancake is beautifully fried. Actually, this pancake, hey, trust me, you're going to love it. So let's do another one. In a hot pan, add in a oil or some of the liquid pancake in it. Wait for 30 seconds and flip it over. Repeat the same process, and you have your special pancake, authentic way of doing your pancake. Trust me, you're going to love it. Flip it over, and here we have our delicious and presentable pancake. Enjoy this with a juice of your choice. So in a glass I pour in some juice, and I enjoy my pancake. So I sprinkle a little bit of sugar on it. It's optional, you can choose to omit it. So I pour in some juice, and Charlie, I really enjoy this pancake. I hope you enjoyed yours. Please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share, and please return to this channel whenever I post a video. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.